Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. Happening right now in the ultimate love show, Aunty punishes love guest. Aunty has made herself clear on the type of behaviour allowed in the love part. As a result, punishment for Jaykech has been issued. Ignoring and not following Aunty's rules in the love part is a serious offence, and the love guests are now going to feel the wrath of going against the instruction. Not so long ago, Aunty cautioned the love guests against doing things that were against her rules, stating that conversation needs to be clear and bad behavior will not be tolerated. However, Jaykech seem to have landed themselves in hot soup, and they are the first couple to be issued with punishment. Though Aunty hasn't named the punishment yet, she made herself clear that she has eyes and ears in the love part. Therefore, no one can go unnoticed. The offence: the couple has been found guilty of conversing without their microphones on, whether it was deliberate or not. Aunty instructed the love guests to be mindful and always have their microphones on. It is up to Aunty now to let Jaykech what is it that they have to do to redeem themselves, and hopefully a lesson to others that the rules are still in place and effective. Do you think Aunty was a bit harsh on the couple? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. And I also think since Jaykech has been nominated for possible eviction, they've been acting strange and weird, and I'm sure that's why they forgot they were not with their microphones, because of their being there to plan and scheme their next mission. Okay guys, just leave your comments in the section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.